Good day. 1 John 5 verse 14. And this is the confidence that we have in him, that if we ask anything according to his will, he heareth us. What is God's will? His word. When you pray, pray his word. Then, John 15 verse 7. If you abide in me and my words abide in you, you shall ask what you will, what you desire, and it shall be done unto you. Herein is my Father glorified, that you bear much fruit, so shall you be my disciples. When you pray, pray the word of God. And when you pray, listen to this. Hebrews 10:23 says, let us hold fast to our profession of our faith without wavering, for he is faithful that promised. So decreeing and declaring and hold fast to your confession. That is what the word is saying to you today. Pray the word of God over your circumstances. Therefore, whatsoever you shall say unto this mountain, and believe what you say, you shall have whatsoever you say. Speak in faith today, not wavering, in Jesus' mighty name. God bless.